Okay, we are going to make the teas, and we have two batches. Okay, first one is going to be lemon and apple, and the other one just lemon. Remember to wash very good, thoroughly your fruits. Okay, I'm going to peel it and start making the teas. Okay, going back at you in a moment. As you can see, I already peeled the lemon, and also I make small pieces out of the apple and also of the peel of the lemon. We're going to boil them in pure water, and we are going to continue later after I got that one. Also, I get the juice apart. We are going to add it to the tea later when it's hot. Okay, coming back to you. Okay, I already boiled the water, and I'm going to put it over here. This is a French press, but if you don't have one of these ones, you can filter it with coffee filters. It's the same thing. So I'm going to put it here. And also I'm going to put all the peels here. Lemon and apple. Nice. And then we're going to leave it there for 4 minutes, okay? When it's time, I'll be back. Oh, Terminator. Okay, after the 4 minutes they are already passed, we need to press the French press. Sorry. Okay, all the way down. All the way down. Okay. And in your mug, you can add the amount of sugar that you wish. I'm candy level sugar. I love the candy level. And you add the lemon juice. Okay. Okay. And then you add your tea. Very good. Stir it. Okay, the moment of truth. We're going to taste it. Oh, nice. Oh, as in Japan says, it's oishi. Oh my god. Super healthy too. If you don't want to add the apple, you can do it only with lemon, okay? But you can do with pineapple, mango. I want to do with mango. Yeah, mango. Oh, that's a good one. But citrus is the best thing, okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.